How to verify OKX account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your account. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this trade icon. Simply tap on trade. Now you can just simply, for example, tap on buy turn or any of the stocks. Now this interface will pop up. Here you need to tap on verify now. So here there are different steps in order to verify. First of all, you must have an identification card in order to verify. You must even select the region from which you are in. Now tap on next, and here you'll have to add a card or a national card. So this is the only option by which you can verify your account. In this way, you can even add your bank details and even transfer the money to other accounts. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.